Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's vlog is I'm gonna share you what I'm doing today, which is I clean the aircon. So as you see, I'm looking for, but before that I already watched a tutorial video from YouTube so to how to clean the filter inside. It's my first time to clean for my aircon, but actually I'm doing cleaning before in Malaysia and I have some experience regarding that, but of course this one is taller than in Malaysia. So I just take the filter and I yeah, this was I show you. It's very dirty. It's almost 6 months we stay here and I don't have power to make it, but as of few days I'm coughing. I am thinking about the aircon. Maybe it's too dirty already, so I just decide to make it, and I did, thanks God. And so I just washed with water. You know the filter, how it's very black. Yeah, very black, so much black. 6 months never clean, because when the technician installed it here, he is the one clean that filter, but it's not the whole thing. You know, I saw a video in YouTube how to clean the whole thing. It's difficult because you need to screw it, and I'm not professional to do it. I just make the slightest one, light cleaning only. Yeah, so I just brush slowly because it's very soft, and if we're gonna be, you know, tear that part, so the dust will really going into it, so you must be slowly doing. Yeah, so that's how I make. Yeah, so now it's clean already. I just slowly brush it. Yeah, so that's how I did today. The whole day, since morning when I wake up, I decide to clean the whole house, and also outside because there is a lot of stain on the raindrops from the pillar. No, I mean from the pipe which the rain has come, so it's a lot of mess. So I just brush it outside. Yes, I feel like very have appetite to clean today, unlike the other day, because I'm not feeling well actually. So thanks God I'm feeling well, but still my voice is not getting to the original one, but it's okay. Voice is good, and I'm happy that I don't have cough anymore. Thanks God, to God be the glory. Yes, all is healed by God. Yeah, if you trust God, it can be happened. Really, I'm always trust God. And also I have my medication, as I said. Other few days I just finished my medication, and then after that, after 3 days, I'm already good. So as you see, it's there, clean, from dirty to very clean. Yes, that's how I make today. I just make work today. So that part is I decide to wipe the unit because too dirty. Yeah, but I just be careful because there is a pipe there, and I don't know it's gonna be dangerous, but I know it's not dangerous because it's all over covered by the tape. Yeah, plastic tape, electrical tape. It's not just you know, it's really covered. It's very safe. So before I do that, I check first if I really can. So my light is not overweight, so I can hold the, you know, the jealousy, the window. We call that jealousy here in the Philippines. So jealousy. Yeah, I call that jealousy in the Philippines. So that's I just hold it, and you see, it's really going good, and I'm not feeling tired by holding it because I'm too light as of now. I think I'm only 49 or 50 kilos right now. So Yeah, so I just wipe it twice, I think, and I see it so clean. Yeah, so I'm very happy, very clean. Now I'm going to put back the filter because I already dry it with the fan. Yeah, so the filter is already dried. So I'm gonna put back again there. But before that, of course, I make sure that I'm gonna put correctly because when I watched the videos, I saw the edges. The edges are gonna be in front, not in inside. So yeah, I'm always be aware for what I take out, and I'm gonna put back it. So that's how I recognize the things that I take out, and I said later I'm gonna put back, and I know how to do it because when the time that I take out, I saw it properly how. So I wipe again because I cannot satisfied with one wipe because it's still the dust one, and I just wash the towel and then wipe it again. Yeah, and preparing for the putting back the filter, the two filters. Yeah, so nice. Today is very productive for me, thanks God. And I have I'm not doing my project because tomorrow I don't have school again. It's suspended here because of the typhoon. So guys, after that, I didn't take a video because I'm already in live. So my live is, I cannot see that. I'm putting back the filter. So I did successfully. So thanks God for the wisdom and new knowledge for today. Have a nice day guys, and God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.